Hello Baby monitors use infrared technology to provide clear night vision of your baby in low light conditions. Understanding how this system works is the first step to troubleshooting any issues. The system uses a light sensor that detects ambient light levels. When darkness is detected, it automatically switches the camera to night vision mode by activating the infrared LEDs. When night vision problems occur, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle both the monitor and camera by turning them off and on again. Next, clean the camera lens and infrared sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Dust and smudges can significantly affect night vision performance. Check your monitor settings to ensure night vision is enabled. Also, verify that the room is dark enough for automatic activation by covering the camera lens to test the system. Proper positioning is crucial for optimal night vision performance. Place the camera within 6 feet or 2 meters of your baby, avoiding any obstructions that could block the infrared light. Finally, ensure your camera has a reliable power source. Check that the power adapter is working properly or that batteries are fresh and fully charged. Power issues are a common cause of night vision failures. Common night vision problems include completely dark screens or blurry, pixelated images. These issues can stem from simple settings adjustments to hardware malfunctions, but following these basic troubleshooting steps resolves most problems. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced techniques can resolve persistent night vision issues. These methods target deeper system problems that simple restarts cannot fix. Start with a hard reset by unplugging both the camera and monitor for at least 3 minutes. This clears temporary memory issues and resets internal components that may be causing night vision failures. Next, repair the camera in your monitor settings. Connection issues between devices can prevent night vision from activating properly, even when hardware is functioning correctly. Electronic interference from nearby devices can disrupt night vision functionality. Microwaves, routers, and other wireless devices operate on similar frequencies and can cause signal problems. Testing the infrared LEDs directly helps identify hardware failures. These LEDs emit invisible light that cameras detect, but you can verify their operation using a simple technique. Monitor settings significantly impact night vision performance. Adjusting brightness, contrast, and sensitivity can resolve image quality issues even when hardware functions properly. Preventative measures reduce future night vision problems. Proper positioning and lighting management create optimal conditions for consistent performance. When these advanced fixes don't resolve the issue, professional help may be necessary. Warranty support can provide replacements, while technical repair services can fix hardware problems like damaged circuit boards. For hardware issues like cracked solder joints or component failures, professional repair services have the expertise and tools needed. Always check warranty status first, as many issues qualify for free replacement.